everyone, I'm Anshika Verma. Welcome to Invest Mango. Here we bring you new real estate project every month. And this time we are introducing Solitaire City. Solitaire City is a large multi-category township project located at JP Green Sports City Sector 25 along with the Yamuna Expressway. In this project you will get wide range of living options, 2-3 BHK apartments and luxurious villa to suit every family needs. You can choose from these standout projects: Master View apartments, iconic residences, uber luxe villas and premium 3 BHK apartments. This premium development is by Dev Sai Group with years of experience in the real estate industry with 25 years of expertise in design, innovation and construction. Now let's talk about the amenities and facilities that will be easily accessible from the property and you will get in them. First one is Master View apartment near Yamuna Expressway. You will get spacious 1000 square feet layout. Second one is premium 3 BHK apartments. You will get spacious residences from 1425 to 2080 square feet, starting from just 1.35 CR. Onwards, all inclusive with no hidden charges for anything. Comes with luxurious in-house amenities like wide deck, splash pool, servant room, lobby, etc. Third one is Uber Luxe Villas. Get your luxurious dream residence villa spread over 4650 square feet, starting at just 6.4 CR all inclusive with no hidden charges near Yamuna Expressway. You will get in-house facilities like immerse in nature and luxury with a private pool, exclusive passage access with entry and exit point, Italian marble interiors, centralized AC and a sleek modular kitchen. Lush green area, premium wellness comes with every floor, has their own amenities like balcony, TV lounge, dressing room, terrace, gym and landscape terrace. Fourth one is iconic residences. Choose from elegant 3 BHK to 1400 square feet and grand 4 BHK for 1350 square feet residences. Step into your dream lifestyle with stunning 180-degree panoramic views near Yamuna Expressway, starting from just 2.27 CR. Onwards, all inclusive with no hidden charges. You will get in-house amenities like in 3 BHK terrace deck where you can personalize your space with either a jacuzzi or a powder room, and in 4 BHK you will get addition of exclusive bar lounge and puja room. Now let's talk about the common amenities you will get. Temperature controlled swimming pool, Sky Club only for the iconic residence, 75% open and green space, premium wellness spaces, terrace garden, separate kids arena, multi-purpose banquets, steam and sauna rooms, 32 plus sports elements. Now I will tell you about the nearby places to the Solitaire City. F1 racetrack, upcoming Film City is going to be just 15 minutes away. Noida International Airport, that is just 20 minutes away, surrounded by global universities. Eastern Peripheral Expressway is 10 minutes away. Business Parks and Helipad is next to the Solitaire City. Mega Sports Arena is walking distance from the Solitaire City and it's RERA approved. The project features an easy payment plan of 40%, 30% and 30%. For those planning to avail a home loan, we have collaborations with reputed national and international banks for your convenience. This project comes with a deal of Solitaire. This deal is only for the first 100 buyers. So be among the first 100 buyers. Contact Invest Mango today on the number given below. Subscribe for more expert insights and real estate investment videos.